Hey everybody, Chaz here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use YouTube with picture-on-picture mode in iOS 14. So iOS 14 has a new picture-on-picture mode feature which allows you to continue watching videos while doing other things on your iPhone. However, sadly, it does not work on YouTube through the app, which is a shame as YouTube requires you use Premium to be able to listen to videos in the background, and even then, you cannot watch them outside of the app. But with this bypass, they actually found you could not only listen, but also watch a YouTube video on iOS 14 using picture-in-picture, but you cannot use the YouTube app for this, sadly, as that does not work. So you must open Safari browser and go to youtube.com. And from here, search for the video or the channel that you want to watch. So I'm just going to look at video from my own channel. So here we are. Alright, so now we need to put it into full screen. Otherwise, picture-in-picture mode won't work. So let's put to here in full screen. Now we must press this button here. As you can see, it's now in the corner. So now let's go to home screen, and as you can see here, we've got the video in the corner. So now we can play it. So as you can see here, I've actually got it playing at the moment. And from there we can also pause it and resume it. And also drag it and put it in various different positions of the screen. So if it's getting in the way of something you need to use on one part of the screen. So as you can see here, the video is actually working and it is playing in the corner of the screen. Now if you want to get it back to full screen, if you want to get back into Safari browser, you need to click this button at the top. So here we are, and we've got it back into Safari browser. And then all we need to do is press pause, and then we can easily leave. And you can do that with other videos too, so you can pretty much do that with any YouTube videos and also on other websites that use iOS's built-in Safari video player. So as you can see, it will work with any videos on YouTube, so you can pretty much do it with any videos on YouTube, which is really great. So now So as you can see here, now I'm going to be putting it into the one side of the screen. And now we can move it anywhere on the screen we like. Which honestly, I really like this feature and I really think it will be helpful. And it's definitely good for multitasking. And although I don't think it's as good on smaller iPhones or iPhones in general as it is on iPads, I do definitely think it is a very good feature. And while it doesn't work with the YouTube app, it is still good to see that it works with the website on Safari. So YouTube is working with picture-in-picture mode. And unfortunately, we do not have it yet working as the app, as that uses a different video player to YouTube in Safari browser. But either way, it definitely is a great concept. And it's a great way to listen to music off of YouTube as well without having to buy Premium and have the video playing in the background. And also you can watch videos while doing something else like sending a text. Although there is one problem: if you want to browse the web while watching a video, you will not be able to use Safari as it is playing YouTube, so you will have to download another browser like Opera or Chrome to use. But otherwise, this feature is great, and I do hope it stays, as it definitely comes in handy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways, have a good day. See you next time, and goodbye.